Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Researcher. So this is the video number 9 of Telangana Pharmacist Grade-II exam preparation. The exam which is going to be held on the 30th of November 2024. And in this series we are covering total 10 units which are mentioned in the syllabus of Telangana Pharmacist exam. So basically in this series we have already covered the 3 units, and for unit number 4 we have covered almost 70% syllabus in two parts, and this is the last part of for the unit number 4, in which we are covering the remaining few topics regarding this particular unit. So the remaining all the videos, if you haven't watched, you can watch the remaining videos as well. The link has been given in the description box. You can along with the video number and the subject name, so you can simply watch those videos. Also, if you want the PDFs of this particular video, so PDF will be provided to you in the description box. Basically the link is given, you can simply click on the link and you will get the PDF. Also, PDFs are without answer, so I'll be updating the PDFs with answers only, so that will be updated in the night. So that will be available to you after 10 after 10 today. So you can simply go to the previous videos also, and you can simply go to the description and simply click on the link, so you will be getting the updated version of the PDF files after 10 today. So let's start with the part number 3. So in this particular, here is a syllabus, so almost every topic has been covered till the antidepressant and analeptic drugs. Remaining few topics are remaining, for example, like adrenergic agonists, cholinergic, diuretics, hypoglycemic, coagulants, anesthetic, histaminics, pyretics, NSAIDs, antithyroids, anticonvulsants, antiarrhythmic, hypertensive, steroids, antineoplastic. So these few topics will be covered here. Like mostly the important drugs with their IUPAC name, those type of questions will be available, and few questions, additional questions will be available for these other topics as well. So right now I will add the PDF without answers for this particular video, for this particular session. So you can download that PDF now. Then after 10 you will be getting the updated PDF with the answers. So if you're watching this video after 10, so mostly you will be getting the updated version of the PDF. So let's discuss the topic. So this I have mentioned you, like this red highlighted ones have already been covered, and the remaining blue highlighted subtopics will be covered in this particular video. So let's start with the first question. This will be a quite short video, only around 50 MCQ questions will be covered here. So here the IUPAC name of phenytoin. So basically phenytoin is used in epilepsy conditions. So this particular drug, if we will check the structure of this particular compound, so here it has a benzene ring which is attached with a carbon atom which is attached with another benzene ring. So here you will find another benzene ring. Now this carbon will be attaching with NH, and then again C double bond O, then again NH, and this will form a ring with carbon CO bond. So this is a basic nucleus, and these are the two basic benzene rings, and this particular ring will be imidazolidine ring. So here you can find out the IUPAC name of this. So it is this position is a 5. This fifth, this is a fifth carbon. So from here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a numbering system. So at 5 number position there are two phenyl rings. So it will become 5,5 diphenyl. And this ring I have told you it is the imidazolidine ring. And there are two on group like ketone groups, C double bond O. So these are at which position? So these are at 2 and 4 position. So basically so numbering will be from this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5. So it will be at second position it is ketone group, and at the fourth position it's the ketone group. So the IUPAC name will become 5,5 diphenyl imidazolidine 2,4 dione ring. Then we can move to the next question. So the question is IUPAC name of furosemide is. So this particular drug is very important. So basically it is a furosemide, and it has a furan ring. It has furan structure uh, in the overall structure. So basically in this also there is a benzene ring. We have a benzene ring. In this benzene ring, at this position it is a chloro group, means this is a fourth position, so it has a chloro group. And at this position it is having the SO2 NH2, means sulfonamide group. So and also at opposite to chloro group it has carboxylic acid group COH, and at this position it is having NH, it is CH2, and then this CH2 group is attached with the furan ring. This group is attached with the furan ring. So here it has double bond. So this is a furan ring. You can remember this structure as well. And if you want to know the structure, like what position is this, so this is the fourth position, which is having the chloro group. And at a second position, this is a second position, so it is having furan. It is having furan 2-yle methyl. So this is a methyl group, 2-yle methyl, and this is a amino group, amino. And at a fifth position, it is having this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. So this is the fifth position. This fifth position is having sulfomoyl group, and this is the simple benzoic acid. This and this carboxylic acid, so this is a benzoic acid, so it will become 4 chloro 2 furan 2-yle methyl amino 5 sulfomoyl benzoic acid. So here option D will be the correct answer. Then we can move to the next question. So the question is IUPAC name of aspirin is. So the IUPAC name of aspirin is 2-acetoxy benzoic acid. So if you will check the simple structure, so it is again having a benzene ring. Here it has the C double bond O and OH, that is a carboxylic acid group, and here it is having O C double bond O CH3. Okay, so it is a acetoxy group, and if you can see this structure, so this is a benzoic acid. So at the second group, second position, it is a acetoxy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So at second number position, the group is acetoxy group, and the remaining structure is the benzoic acid. So in this structure only you need to know the position of the acetoxy group. So here option B will be the correct answer. Next question is IUPAC name of paracetamol is. So the IUPAC name of paracetamol is N4-hydroxyphenyl acetamide. So here option D will be the correct answer. So if you will check the structure of paracetamol, it is very simple structure. So simply in this also we have a benzene ring. At the fourth position it has a OH group, that is a hydroxyl group, and at this first position it is having the NH NHCO CH3 group. So this is a basic structure of paracetamol. So here you can see like it is a 4-hydroxy. It is a 4-hydroxy phenyl group, and this particular NHCOCH3 is acetamide. So it is 4 hydroxy, like at the N position. So you can say at N position the group is 4 hydroxy phenyl, and the remaining group is acetamide. Then moving to next question. So the question is IUPAC name of ibuprofen is. So the IUPAC name of ibuprofen drug is so it is 2,4 isobutyl phenyl propanoic acid. So here option C will be the correct answer. Once we will check the structure, then you will be able to know this. So here first we will draw the benzoic acid. This is the benzoic acid, and in this at this position it is having CH3 group, and this will be CH, and it will become C double bond O OH, means this is the acid group, carboxylic acid group. And at the opposite fourth position it is having the CH2 and this one will CH, and this one is a CH3 and CH3 group. Now you can check like this is basically the propionic acid, like 3 carbons are there, and the acidic group is COH group is there, so it is propanoic acid. Now for this propanoic acid we will be having 1 and 2 position, like at the 1, 2 and 3 position. So at second position we will be having this particular group, this group is the 4. At fourth position we will be having isobutyl, this is the isobutyl group, and at fourth position it is isobutyl, and this benzene ring in substitution with other group, it is regarded as phenyl. Phenyl is simply C6H5, it is a phenyl, and C6H6 is benzene. So basically it is a phenyl group, and the rest is a propionic acid. So you know the numbering, like it is the first carbon is of carboxylic acid, second, and this one is a third. So you can know the numbering of the groups attached to it. Now the next question is IUPAC name of norepinephrine is. So the IUPAC name of norepinephrine is basically 4,2-amino 1-hydroxyethyl benzene 1,2-diol. So here option C will be the correct answer. So this is for epinephrine, norepinephrine. So if we'll check the structure of the norepinephrine, so the structure will look like a simple benzene ring. This is a benzene ring. Here it will be having OH group, and at this position it is having CO CHNH2. So this is the basic structure. So in this, if you can see here, we will be having the 2-amino 1-hydroxyethyl. So this group is 1 amino 2 amino, this is the 2 amino 1-hydroxyethyl benzene and 1,2-diol. It is a basic name of this. This is a benzene. Basically this particular structure is a catechol structure, in which 2 adjacent alcohol groups are attached to the benzene ring. This is the catechol ring. So, or we can say it is the benzene 1,2-diol. So we can say it is benzene 1,2-diol, and at 3 and 4. Okay, here if we will give the name 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this basic ring is benzene 1,2-diol, and at the fourth position, what different compounds are there? So at the fourth position we will be having this group like CO, CH2, NH2. So this group is 2 amino, so 1 and 2. So at 2 position it is amino group, and at 1 position it is a hydroxyl group. So basically it is a single bond OH. So it is single bond OH. So at 1 position it is alcohol group, hydroxyl group, and there are 2 carbons that will make it ethyl group, and the rest is the basic structure. So you can see this is the option number C. So here option C is correct. Next, moving to the another question, that is IUPAC name of epinephrine is. So for epinephrine, the structure will look quite similar. So here we will be having the catechol ring. So this is a catechol ring, OH and OH. Then at the opposite position, basically at the fourth position, we will be having OH group, then the CH2, then NH2. So this is the basic ring. So here you can see like it is. So this is basically the catechol ring, and the numbering will be from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can see again the fourth position will be of. The fourth position will be 1-hydroxy 2-methyl amino. It is 1-hydroxy 2-methyl amino 2-methyl amino ethyl. So this is the ethyl group. This is NHCH3. Okay, so this is the compound. So 1-hydroxy 2-methyl amino ethyl, and the rest group is benzene 1,2-diol. This is benzene 1,2-diol. So here the correct answer will be option number A. So if you are having any question confusion in the structure itself, so you can simply check in on the internet as well. And also I have added few of the structures in this particular PDF at the end, so you can also cross check the structures. So basically I have drawn from the app, the structures have been drawn from an app. So there can be a few mistakes there, like there can be some hydrogens can be missing, so these kind of things can be there. So better you can check on the Google, and you can simply cross check the structures. Or if you are having any book, so you can uh, simply cross check from the book as well. So now we can move to the next question, that is IUPAC name of ephedrine. So epinephrine and ephedrine both are the different things. So the ephedrine is a structure with the benzene ring. Again, there is a benzene ring, and at this position, any of the position, we will be having COH, CH, CH, CH3, and here again NH and CH3. So this is the basic structure of ephedrine. Here you will find at this position, this is the first position. So at the first position, it is basically the 2 methyl, it is basically the 2 methyl amino, 1 phenyl propane, 1 ol. So this will be the first position, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the first position, 1, 2, and 3 is the this carbon atom, this carbon atom. So basically what happens is at the first position, this is the first position, you can see there is a phenyl ring. There are 1, 2, and 3 carbon atoms in this particular structure, so it is a propane ring. And at first position, there is a alcohol group, so it will be 1 ol, so that is there. And second position, it will be having NHCH3 group, that is the position is 2 and the group is methyl amino group. So here you can simply find it is 2 methyl amino, 1 phenyl propane, 1 ol group. So here option B is correct. Next question is IUPAC name of dopamine is. So the IUPAC name of dopamine is 4,2-aminoethyl benzene 1,2-diol. So in this particular structure, there is also a catechol ring. So simply we can draw this ring first. So here we can see this is the benzene ring, and at this position you can say it is CH2, again CH2, and NH2. This is a ring. And at the other position, you can say like here it is OH group, and here it is OH group. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, this is a basic naming. So this is CH2. So at the fourth position, you can say, if we'll starting from here, so at fourth position, this group is 2 aminoethyl. This is 2 aminoethyl 1 and 2 position for this particular thing. So at second position, it is the amino group, so it is 2 amino, and this is the ethyl group, so 2 amino ethyl, and this particular basic nucleus is benzene 1,2-diol. So that's why it is option C will be the correct answer. The next question is IUPAC name of propranolol is. So what is the IUPAC name of propranolol? So for this also we can check the structure once. So here we will be having a simple benzene ring fused with another benzene ring. So you will be having this benzene ring. Again, you can orient this structure in different ways also. So here you will be having oxygen atom, here you will be having CH2, CH, and here it is COH, here CH2, here N group and NH basically, and this group is attached with CH3 and CH3. So these angular part, these are the basically carbon and hydrogen groups. So this is a basic propranolol compound, and this basic nucleus is the naphthalene group. So this is a naphthalene group, and this is the first position. So this is the first position, so it will be having one isopropyl amino. So this is the isopropyl amino, and at the third position, 1, 2, 3. So at the third position, it is the naphthalene 1-alloxy. This is a naphthalene 1-alloxy, and this is a propane 2-ol. So this group is a propane 2-ol. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, and 3 carbon. Total 3 carbons are there. That's why it is propane 2-ol. And this is the alcohol group. That's why it is second position is the OH group. OL. That is the alcohol. So here the correct answer will be 1 isopropyl amino, 3 naphthalene, 1 iloxy propane 2-ol. So here option A will be the correct answer. So mostly you need there can be a difficulty in understanding and remembering the questions and also the structure itself. So it is better, so that it is better you can draw the structure in your copy and make a note like what kind of structures are there, what are the basic nucleuses present in these structures. So then these structures will be helpful to you. Obviously this is a concept of 1 or 2 marks, but 1 or 2 marks are quite important in the competitive exams, so you need to take care of these things. Now we can move to the another question. So the question is, the given structure is, so this is the structure, and we need to find like for what drug the structure is for. So here we will be having a benzene ring, we will be having a OH group, it is basically OH and it is basically OH. So, and this is also OH, this is NH. So these are the few things because the questions has been taken from the app, so there can be few problems. So basically the given structure is, so this is the structure of cell-butamol. So here option C will be the correct answer. So for cell-butamol, if we need to know the IUPAC name, so the IUPAC name is 4,2 tert butyl. It is tert butyl group. So this one, 2, 3. So this is a tert butyl group, and butyl, and there is a amino group, so it is tert butyl amino. Then at the first position we will be having hydroxyethyl. At the first position we will be having hydroxyethyl. This particular group, it is 1 hydroxy ethyl group. Then at the second position, we will be having 2 hydroxymethyl phenol group. So I have told you like these IUPAC name I have provided along with the structures as well. At the end you will find those structures, so you can check the things from that particular image also. Now we can move to the next question. So the question is, the given structure is, so there is a structure. So this structure is basically the structure of propranolol. So here option B will be the correct answer, as I have already explained you the IUPAC name question we have already discussed, and the structure also we have discussed. So this is the basic structure. So in this structure, if I'll have to tell you like how the things are, so there is OH and NH group. So if you want to know like this particular group, this is one group, this is the other group, and this is the other group. So this structure will be divided into these three parts. Now what happens is, this is the first nitrogen. So at nitrogen only, so this particular group, this is the first group. So this is the 1 isopropyl amino. This group is the isopropyl amino group. Then this particular group, the central one, that is the second number group, this group is propane 2-ol. Okay, it is propane 2-ol. How? Because 1, 2 and 3, at second position it is all and 3 carbons, that's why it is propane. Then this remaining structure, this structure is of naphthalene oxy. At first position is oxy group, so naphthalene 1-yle oxy. So in these three parts it has been divided. The position you need to know. So basically this is the third position, 1, 2 and 3. If we'll make this particular propane wala thing the overall group through which we will be showing the attachments, then it will be like this. So this third position is of isopropyl amino group, sorry, for this naphthalene 1 oxy group, and the first position, this is the first position, so at this first position it is the isopropyl amino group, and the rest is the propane 2-ol. So like that way you can identify the structure and give the IUPAC name to that structure. Next, moving to the another question. So question is nefazolin contains, so basically nefazolin drug contains the imidazole moiety. So here option A will be the correct answer. So nefazolin is a adrenergic drug. It is very important. So if I'll tell you the structure of this nefazolin, so here we will be having two benzene rings fused with each other, which is a naphthalene ring. So at this position we will be having a CH2 group. This is the CH2 group, and this carbon is attached to a imidazole ring. So N, N, and here it will be this group. This will be double bond, and here N will be attached with the hydrogen atom. So this is the basic structure, and this structure is having naphthalene moiety as well as imidazole moiety. So basically either the question can be asked from IUPAC name. Sometimes the question can be asked from the basic ring nucleus, which basic ring is present there. So that can be asked. Then we can move to the next question. So the question is catechol ring is present in. So the catechol ring is basically present in dopamine. So we can see the catechol ring in dopamine as well as norepinephrine, as well as epinephrine also. So in different compounds the catechol ring is present. So here if we can see the example, so dopamine is will be the correct answer. What is catechol ring? It is simply a benzene ring and two alcohol groups are attached at the adjacent position. So this is a catechol ring. Then the question is phenytoin contains which ring structure? So phenytoin basically contains the imidazolidine ring structure. So here option A will be the correct answer. So imidazolidine structure is what? So it is simply like I have also shown you the structure as well. So it is a 5-membered ring structure. Here is NH, and this is attached with another NH group. So there are two NH compounds which are present in a 5-membered ring, and there is no double bond here. So this is the basic phenytoin, or we can say the imidazolidine ring structure. So here option A will be the correct answer. Next we can move to the another question. So the question is which of the following is beta haloalkyl amine derivative? So the beta haloalkyl amine derivative is phenoxybenzamine. So here option C will be the correct answer. You can check the structures of these compounds on Google as well, and also few structures I have already mentioned, like I will be providing you in the PDFs as well, so you can check those structures. Then we can move to the another question. So the question is which of the following is aryl sulfonamide derivative? So the aryl sulfonamide derivative is temsulocin. So here option A is correct. Next question is phenoxybenzamine acts. So basically phenoxybenzamine, it is a alpha receptor blocker. So it directly act on the alpha receptor, and but it irreversibly block the alpha receptors, and it will form ethylene iminium ion for the inhibition. So these all are the you can say mechanism of action or action of these this drug phenoxybenzamine. So here option D, all of the above will be the correct answer. Next question is which of the following imidazoline derivative is selective alpha 2 agonist? So the selective alpha 2 agonist is clonidine. So here option C will be the correct answer. Next question is timolol contains which of the following basic rings? So timolol contains two basic rings, that is 1,2,5-thiazole and morpholine ring. So this question is very important. It is also asked in the GPAT exam once, and in the state pharmacist exam as well. So this question is important. Next question is clonidine, metronidazole, and tinidazole have which of the group in common? So basically, clonidine, metronidazole, and tinidazole, these drugs are having imidazoline moiety in this structure. So here option C will be the correct answer. Next question is a steroid nucleus having 19 carbon atom is. So basically, there are different number of carbon atoms in steroid nucleus. So based on the number of carbon atoms, there is a classification of these compounds. So if we can move, if we can say like which of these is a 19 carbon and nucleus is, that is endostane. So here option A will be the correct answer. Now there are several other groups like which can be having the different number of carbon atoms. So for that, if I can say, so for these different compounds, there can be a 17, 19 or maybe higher number of carbon atoms. So for that, so in that case, there is a chart, or I can tell you the few of the things which can be there. So the basic steroid nucleus is this. There are four rings. Then there is another ring fused with this. It is A ring. This is B ring, C ring, and this is a five-membered ring. So this is the basic nucleus of steroid. So it is having the 17 carbon atoms, and this nucleus is known as gonine. This nucleus is known as gonine. Then there are, if 18 carbon atoms are there, 18 carbon atoms means there will be one carbon atom additional attached. So this will be known as estrane. This will be known as estrane, and it is basically seen in the estrogens. Then if it is 19 carbon atoms, 19th carbon atom will be at this position, and this will be known as androstane, and several androgen compounds are coming under this class. Now, if there are 21, next is the 21 carbon atom. If there are 21 carbon atoms, so then this D ring will be having these two additional carbon atoms, and this will be known as pregnane. This will be known as pregnane, and the examples can be progesterone or corticosteroids. These are the for 21 carbon atoms. Then if this ring is again substituted with another three carbon atoms, like these three carbon atoms are attached in this way, then this is known as choline. This is known as choline, and choline is basically 24 carbon atoms, and the examples are several, while acids can come under this class. Then there are 27 carbon atoms. If there are 27 carbon atoms, so for 27 carbon atoms, the compound is known as cholesterol. This cholesterol, option number D, and the structure will look like something this way. So there will be additional three carbon atoms that will make 24 carbon skeleton, and it is known as cholesterol, and the example is cholesterol. So these are the basic names you need to remember, like what is 18 carbon atom steroidal nucleus, what is 19 carbon, and several other. Now we can move to the another question. So the question is 17 beta hydroxyl endostane for ene 3 on is IUPAC name of. So this is a quite complex name, and it is endostane compound which is having total 19 carbon atoms, and it is testosterone. Testosterone comes under this class, and this is the IUPAC name of testosterone. So here option A will be the correct answer. Next question is which of the following is metabolite of hydroxyzine? So the metabolite of hydroxyzine is cetrimide. So here option B is correct. This is basically the antihistaminic drugs. Then coming to next question. So the question is the antiarrhythmic drug quinidine is a. So antiarrhythmic drug quinidine is a positive stereoisomer of quinine. Basically, quinine is isolated from cinchona, which is used as anti-malarial, and there is another chemical constant that is present in cinchona, that is quinidine. But this quinidine is used as antiarrhythmic, and these are the isomers of each other, quinine and quinidine. Then moving to next question. So the question is which is basic ring present in sulfamethoxazole. So in the today afternoon video, I have explained you different drugs, the IUPAC names. So there you can, I have mentioned the structure of the sulfamethoxazole and IUPAC name. So you must remember, like, there is a isoxazole ring present in sulfamethoxazole. So here option B will be the correct answer. Next question is, which is the basic ring present in sulfadiazine? So the basic ring present in sulfadiazine is pyrimidine ring. So here option B is the correct answer. Next question is, which isomer of ethambutol is clinically active? So the clinically active isomer of ethambutol is dextroisomer. So here option A will be the correct answer. Next question is, which antibiotic is also known as ensomycin antibiotics? So the ensomycin antibiotics include rifampin. So here option C will be the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following is a beta-lactam antibiotic? So among these different compounds of beta-lactam antibiotics include the penicillin and cephalosporins. So here option A will be the correct answer. Next question is, beta-lactamase inhibitor clavonic acid is. So clavonic acid is a beta-lactamase inhibitor, and it has one oxapenum structure, but there is no acyl amino side chain. So here option D will be the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following agent has trioxane ring? So the trioxane ring is present in the artemether drug, which is antimalarial compound. So here option A is correct. Next question is, which of the following drug is used as SERM in advanced breast cancer? So the drug which is used as a SERM in advanced drug cancer is tamoxifen. So here option D will be the correct answer. So we need to know the full form of SERM. So what is SERM? So SERM is basically the selective, it is basically selective estrogen receptor modulator. So this is the full form of SERM. It is the drug used in breast cancer is tamoxifen. So here option D is correct. Next question is, tolcapone is a. So tolcapone is a drug which is used in Parkinson condition, and it is a catechol O methyltransferase inhibitor. So here option A will be the correct answer. Then moving to the next question. So what is the chemical name of penicillin B? So the chemical name of penicillin B is phenoxymethylpenicillin. So here option A will be the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following belongs to class NNRTI? NNRTI is non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. So it is an antiviral drug, and nevirapine comes under this particular class. So here option C is correct. Next question is, which of the following is an ethanoic acid derivative? So the ethanoic acid derivative compound is furosemide. So here option A will be the correct answer. This is also important drug. Next question is, which of the following is ultra short acting cardioselective beta blocker? So ultra short acting cardioselective beta blocker is esmolol. So here option C will be the correct answer. Next question is, furosemide contains dash ring. So the ring present in furosemide is furan ring. So here option A is correct. So this question is also important regarding furosemide. Next question is, which of the following drugs have 1,3,4-thiazole ring? So 1,3,4-thiazole ring. This ring is contained in acetazolamide, which is a carbonic anhydrase drug used as a diuretic drug. So here option C is correct. Next question is, in digitalis glycoside, 17th position of steroid ring is substituted by. So digitalis glycoside is a cardiac glycoside, and it has a steroidal ring structure. And in this steroidal ring structure, the 17th position is substituted with the 5-membered lactone ring, which is a alpha beta unsaturated 5-membered lactone ring. So here option A will be the correct answer. Then the next question is the basic ring present in atorvastatin is. Atorvastatin is again drugs related to cardiovascular system. So these are the anti-hyperlipidemic drugs. So atorvastatin are the HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitors, and the basic ring present in this is pyrrole. So here option B is correct. Next question is chemically nifedipine is. So chemically nifedipine is 1,4-dihydropyridine derivative. So here option C is correct. Next question is phenylbutazone is a. So phenylbutazone drug is a pyrazolidine dione derivative, and it is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. So here option B is correct. Next question is the isoxazole ring is present in which of the following drugs? So the isoxazole ring that is present in valdecoxib and paracoxib drugs, which are the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs only. So here option A will be the correct answer. Then next question is simply the structure based question. So basic ring system in triamterene. So triamterene is a diuretic drug, and the basic ring present in triamterene is the ring number C. So there are two vanillin rings fused with each other in which there are 4 nitrogens are substituted. So this is a basic ring that is present in the triamterene. So here option C will be the correct answer. And with this question we are done with the MCQs. Now we are having the structures with us. So these structure I have provided in 2 pages. Important drugs have been given here. So in this I have provided the drug name as well as the IUPAC name. So in these structure in which there is something is missing, like here is only O. So basically there will be 2 bonds attached to oxygen, so that bond will be substituted with hydrogen. So like here it is N, so there should be NH2 here. This N, but this is the carbon atom, this is CH3. So in that way you can correct these things, and there is no much things related to the errors, and rest the IUPAC names are correct, the drug name is correct only. So you can simply go to the structures and just try to remember the basic ring structures. Like this is the basic important ring structure which is present here. So this is a basic catechol ring present, and again there are several other compounds. So like this way you can remember the structure. So I have provided all the structures here, most of the structures, so you can simply cross check, you can read these structures. And also a few comments are there, like regarding the theoretical material. So basically I am not having any theoretical material for all the things. So I will be referring the books only regarding the MCQs, like from different books I am capturing the MCQs from different books. The theoretical section I am reading and making the MCQ questions. So like that way I am creating the MCQ questions with these from these different books. So I have made one video earlier, like regarding the books used in the UPSC or drug inspector exam, central or state. So I have provided the PDFs as well in these in that video. So you can also refer to that particular video, and you can download the relevant books, and you can check the content from those books also if you need the additional information. So due to the limited time, I am having very limited time, so I will be providing this in the form of MCQs. I will be giving all the detailed information regarding the questions wherever possible, and wherever is important. So now talking to the next plan. So today we are completing with the unit number 4. Now the unit number 5 and the unit number 6, these are basically the pharmacology part. These are basically the pharmacology part. So this will take time. I will try to cover all these 2 units by tomorrow. Mostly in multiple videos. There will be more than 2 videos for these 2 units, mainly 4 or 5. So I'll try to cover all the things in 4 to 5 videos, and I will upload all the videos by tomorrow, or mostly by day after tomorrow. You will be getting all the things relevant to these 2 units. Then we are left with only 4 units. And then like if today is 16, so at 17 or 18, I'm expecting like at 18, on 18th of November we will be completing the pharmacology part. And then we can move to the other 4 units, which will be taking only 4 to 5 days, or we can mostly we can take 6 days. So we can expect like we will be covering all these things by the 24th 24th only, or before 24th. I'll try to complete all the units before 24. But we can take a target. Like initially in the introduction video I have told you like my target is of 25th. So we'll see like at what time it will be completed. So now I will try my hard to complete all the units by 24th, and then I will provide you the several sample or mock test regarding those regarding these things, so that you can prefer and test your knowledge. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in the next video. So till then, thank you very much.